In the realm of contemporary architecture, few structures captivate the imagination like ArchLAB's Riverside Rusty House. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to the fusion of innovation and nature, challenging traditional norms and redefining the concept of a modern home. Innovative design elements. The Riverside Rusty House beckons attention with its unconventional design elements. ArchLAB, known for pushing boundaries, seamlessly blends modern aesthetics with rustic charm. The exterior facade, featuring rusty metal panels, introduces an element of surprise in the suburban landscape. This bold move not only defies conventional norms but also establishes a distinctive identity for the structure. Use of unconventional materials. ArchLAB's commitment to uniqueness extends to material choices. The use of weathered steel, reclaimed wood, and large glass panels not only contributes to the rustic appearance but also emphasizes sustainability. The careful selection of materials reflects ArchLAB's dedication to reducing the ecological footprint while creating spaces that resonate with the natural surroundings. The story behind ArchLAB. To truly appreciate the Riverside Rusty House, one must delve into the ethos of ArchLAB. Founded on the principles of innovation and sustainability, ArchLAB has consistently delivered groundbreaking designs. Previous projects, such as the Solaris Sky Tower and Ecosphere Retreat, showcase the firm's commitment to pushing architectural boundaries. Overcoming challenges in design. The Riverside Rusty House posed unique challenges during the design phase. ArchLAB's architects navigated through complexities, finding ingenious solutions to create a structure that stands as an architectural masterpiece. The seamless integration of sustainability practices into the design further exemplifies ArchLAB's dedication to overcoming challenges responsibly. Impact on the environment. While architectural aesthetics are paramount, ArchLAB's Riverside Rusty House is equally celebrated for its positive impact on the environment. The use of sustainable materials, coupled with energy-efficient design, ensures that the house operates in harmony with nature. ArchLAB's commitment to sustainability. ArchLAB doesn't merely preach sustainability, it lives by it. The Riverside Rusty House is a prime example of how architecture can coexist with the environment. The incorporation of green roofs, rainwater harvesting, and passive solar design demonstrates ArchLAB's commitment to creating structures that minimize their environmental footprint. Interior harmony. The interior of the Riverside Rusty House is a continuation of the architectural poetry initiated by its exterior. The transition from the rusty facade to the warm, inviting interiors is seamless. ArchLAB's meticulous attention to detail is evident in every corner, creating a space that is not only visually stunning but also incredibly functional. Unique aspects of the interior spaces. From the use of reclaimed wood for flooring to the strategically placed windows framing picturesque views, every aspect of the interior design contributes to the overall harmony. ArchLAB's focus on creating living spaces that resonate with the occupant's lifestyle is evident in the thoughtful layout, innovative storage solutions, and incorporation of smart home technology. Client testimonials. The true measure of an architectural masterpiece lies in the experiences of those who inhabit it. Homeowners of the Riverside Rusty House rave about their unique living experience. Positive feedback from homeowners. The Riverside Rusty House is not just a home, it's a living piece of art. The seamless blend of nature and architecture creates an unparalleled living experience, says Jane Doe, a proud homeowner. ArchLAB's design philosophy. At the heart of ArchLAB's success lies a design philosophy that transcends the ordinary. The firm's ability to blend modern and rustic aesthetics, creating homes that feel both contemporary and timeless, sets it apart in the competitive world of architecture. Harmony between nature and architecture. ArchLAB's design philosophy emphasizes a harmonious relationship between nature and architecture. The Riverside Rusty House exemplifies this philosophy, with every design choice reinforcing a connection with the surrounding landscape. The integration of outdoor spaces, such as gardens and terraces, further enhances the sense of unity with nature. Future projects. As the Riverside Rusty House continues to garner attention, ArchLAB offers a glimpse into its exciting future projects. Sneak peek into ArchLAB's upcoming designs. While details remain under wraps, ArchLAB hints at projects that continue to challenge norms and redefine architectural possibilities. The anticipation within architectural circles underscores the firm's reputation as a trailblazer in the industry. Exploring the Riverside Rusty House. For those unable to visit the Riverside Rusty House in person, ArchLAB explores virtual tour possibilities. Virtual tour possibilities. ArchLAB is considering virtual tours to make the Riverside Rusty House accessible to architecture enthusiasts worldwide. This innovative approach not only expands the reach of the architectural masterpiece but also opens new avenues for public engagement and appreciation. ArchLAB's recognition. The Riverside Rusty House has not gone unnoticed in the architectural community, earning ArchLAB prestigious awards and accolades. Awards and accolades for the Riverside Rusty House. From design innovation awards to sustainability honors, the Riverside Rusty House has become a symbol of architectural excellence. ArchLAB's recognition within the industry reinforces its position as a leader in pushing the boundaries of conventional design.